In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the CPU temperature on Windows 11. So you may already know that you can check the temperature of your GPU inside of Task Manager, but if you want to check your CPU's temp, you need to use an external app. So open up a web browser and type in hwinfo, and it should be the first one here, hwinfo.com. You can go to their website, you can then click on free download, close out of any apps and download the very basic version. So we're going to use the installer, so we'll click free download and we'll download here the local app. So here is the exe file, which we can go ahead and open. Now we've got the installation wizard open, we can go ahead and skip through this, agree to the terms, click next and click next again, and it should then install, and we will then have the option to launch it. Now we can go ahead and click start on this program. That's going to open up this program here. Now what we're looking for is the CPU. So we can go here to the top left and click on central processors. We can click on our processor that we have. Once you've clicked on that, go to sensors in the top left hand corner. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see your CPU. So here it is. You may need to scroll down to the advanced section, and then you can see your CPU temperatures here, and that is all you have to do.